Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the battery for Razer Viper Ultimate and what all of the indicators mean. And to do this, connect your Razer Mouse dock Chroma to the PC so that it's turned on. Then click on it in a Razer Synapse app. You can get it from default Razer website. Here you can see the mouse that is connected to this dock, and it's the Razer Viper Ultimate. You can see battery percentage right here, but if you don't have time to open the app each time, you can check it by looking at the RGB visible on your mouse. And here you can see that when it's 100% charged, it's in a green state. If it's below, there's below 176, it's breathing in green, and etc. with different colors and percentages. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.